everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Easy Month End. Now easymonthend.com is a website. Let's see what they have for us. Now Easy Month End is very good for you. It's a ticket to a smoother month end close, faster balance sheet reconciliation, and a more efficient finance team, because your finance team deserve an easier life. You can book a demo or start free trial today. Now, you can tackle the house out of month-end work allocations, and this tax software is talking about what they got from using Easy Month End. Easy Month End took the house out of the allocation and no longer have to roll forward checklists or chase the team for sign off. So Easy Month End has everything you need in one tool. You can handle month end, quarter end, year end, plus all your other finance team tasks. Reconcile your balance sheet, manage your team, and collect audit evidence all in one place. So here they are. So if you try them for free, you get a first month free, no obligation to even help you import a checklist from Excel. So here is the pricing. No contract to sign and no commitment. You can cancel anytime, pay by credit card or bank transfer. Let's see more about the pricing. You get small plan, company plan, and enterprise plan. You also have the startup plan. So let's see what else we can get under there. So we've mentioned the features already, we've mentioned the price. We also have some resources if you want to know more about them. So what are you waiting for? Start your free trial today.